Here, I'll detail how to reset Samsung AC remote to factory default. So if you want to reset a Samsung AC remote to default factory to clear all personal configuration, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is make sure your AC is turned off. So go ahead, turn off your AC by pressing the on and off button on the AC to turn it off while the remote is pointed to your AC. Then flip this to the back where you see the battery. Open the battery. If you don't know how to open your battery, please check the video in the description. Then once open the battery, locate and then remove the battery. So you can just remove this from the positive side. Remove the other from the positive side. Mark you, the spring is the negative side while the other end is the positive side. Now, if you flip the remote control to the home screen, then you should see everything removed. You see that? Now, to complete the cycle to reset the Samsung AC remote to default or factory default, wait for about 30 seconds. And then insert the batteries again, then cover it. Once you cover the battery, then you should see the light comes up if your AC has light beneath here. Then again, go ahead and click on the on and off button or the mode. Literally, this is going to make the AC remote to start working once you remove the battery and wait for about 30 seconds. But this is going to reset the AC remote to factory default. So that is basically how to reset Samsung AC remote or Samsung air conditioner remote to factory default. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.